Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be installing some frame sliders on my GSXR 600. It's a pretty easy job. I'm going to show you the tools you're going to need right now. You're going to need a bigger Allen key so you can install the frame sliders. You're going to need a smaller Allen key so you can remove the fairings. And also, it's a good idea to have something to put the bolts in. You're going to need something with a smaller diameter because there's push pins you're going to need to remove. And you're going to need a flathead to get off the pop pins. And that's it. All right, so this is where you're going to need the smaller Allen key. One over here. There's a few bolts over here you're going to need to remove. This one, that one, this one. All right, this one's harder to see, but there is a bolt over here. Just remove that. There's two different sizes on the fairings too with the little Allen keys. There's a smaller one and a bigger one. And that's it. And there's some hoses back here. Just take them off and gently put them aside. So this is where you're gonna need your flathead to get off the pop pins. Okay, so there's two different types of pop pins. This one, you just push in and it sets, and the way you release it is you just pop it back out with a flathead. So for this one, you just, when it's set like this, you would push it in and then it would release and then you pull it out. So this one you pop out, this one you push in. Turn it and it should pop just like that. And there's one under here. Remove this, and remember this goes in behind when you install it. When you get all the bolts off, be careful with this part. This piece right here clicks into this little rubber grommet, and you kind of have to just just play with it to get it off. It's kind of a little bit of a pain, but just be careful and just take your time. It should come right off. So when you get to the exhaust side of the bike, when you're taking off the fairing, there's this little cover that goes over the coolant reservoir. You're gonna need to remove it. There's two push pins, and then once you get the push pins removed, there's these little tabs over here. Just literally tug on it a little bit, and it should just pop right out. And do that before you remove the fairing so it doesn't break this. Put the fairings in a nice area just so you don't break them or step on them or anything like that. They're very expensive to replace. Just put them aside and make sure they're safe. So I'm just gonna install the frame slider on there before I actually put it on the bike. You just take one of the bolts from the, the shorter one. You'll know which one, not the really long one. But so you take the shorter one, put a washer on there, just put it through there, and then just screw it on there. Just get it tight on there. We'll retighten it when we get it on there. If you could, go ahead and hit the like button for me right now. So then you have two little spacers here. You got two of these little bolts. And basically how it works is you just put them on the back and then you just feed it through, screw it in, and this holds it in place. Just like this. These are no cut frame sliders, so you don't have to do any cutting on the fairings. Seems pretty easy. All right, before you install this on the bike, tighten these little spacers with the Allen key bolts off the bike. It's just kind of easier that way. So just take the bigger bolt. I already got it on there. I haven't tightened it down yet. Take the bigger bolt, the longest one you have. You should have two of them. And just put it on the bottom one here. Take a washer and then tighten it down. Not too crazy tight. Should be good. That thing's on there pretty good. And when you tighten the frame slider down, because you can't stick this end in there, so what I did was to get a little more leverage, just take like a socket or something that fits nicely on there. And just line it up and just give it, torque that thing down. That should be good. Make sure that sucker's on there. All right, so this side is a little bit different to take off than that side because you have the coolant reservoir. But once you get that off, same steps to install this frame slider, just like on the other side. Just put everything on, make sure it's tight, and you're good. There we go. Should be good. Cool. That's on there. While you have the fairings off, it's kind of a good idea to just clean everything up. It's right in front of you, real easy to get to. Use a little bit of wax, a little bit of spray it down, get it on before you install it. Make that sucker look good. Just wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I could help someone out. Remember to hit the like button for me. Really helps out the video. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, I have plenty of motorcycle content coming, how-tos, moto vlogs, you name it, it's coming. Hit the subscribe button for me right now. All right, have a nice day. Peace out.